I'm going to demonstrate how to format the SD card that I previously explained how to insert into the BlindShell Classic. So I'm going to start by bringing up the menu by pressing OK.
Call 1 of 7.
And then I'm going to press 5 to jump to settings.
Settings 5 of 7. Sounds
I'm
1
pressing
of 11.
OK. And then I think the SD card option has shown up because now I have 1 of 11. So I'm going to press 7.
SD card format 7 of 11.
And that gets me to SD card format. You can also just arrow down until you hear it. But without an SD card in, you have 1 of 10 items in this list. So I'm going to press OK on SD card format.
Do you really want to format your SD card? All data stored on the card will be lost. Your phone will be restarted after the operation. 1 of 1.
All right, and they give you the warning that I'm also going to reiterate. Please be certain before you do this that there is no information on the SD card that you have not either saved elsewhere that you need, or that it is safe for you to format this particular card. Because as they say, once you do it, all information will be lost. Consider this the same because it is the same as formatting a hard drive that you have attached to your computer. I'm going to press OK.
Do you really want to perform this action? 1 of 1.
They really want to be sure that you're sure that you want to do this. Again, I reiterate, make sure that there is no information on this card that you need that is not safely stored or backed up elsewhere. I will press OK.
Please wait. Formatting your SD card.
The phone has now powered off and restarted as I got the vibration. I was attempting to see if we could get any progress information about the formatting.
11:32 a.m.
And here we are. Our SD card has been formatted and the phone has restarted.